Hi everybody, it's Chef Christy and I'm here at Wendell Farms this week and I have my beautiful assistant, Allison. What are we going to do today, Allison?
We're going to make popsicles, today's cooking show.
That's right, we're going to make on Popsicle of the Week. This week we're going to make some basil lemonade popsicles. They're going to be really delicious. And we've got some lemonade. This was just a concentrate lemonade that we're going to make up. And because Allison might like just plain lemonade popsicles, we're going to make a few with just some lemonade. All right, Allison, can you take 2 of those out of there? Nope, not the whole popsicle, just the yellow parts. Perfect. Okay, can you pour this? Do you think you could pour this in there for me?
Yeah.
Okay, be real careful. A little bit more, just a little bit more. Beautiful. Okay, and then the other one. You're being very careful. That's really good. Okay, they can fill up a little bit more than that because we want to be able to get the popsicle stick to touch the bottom of the, that's perfect. Okay, can you do that exactly like that in the other one? Beautiful. All right, now put the 2 yellow popsicles down in there. You got it just a little too full. That's okay. Perfect. Okay, so now we've got a couple of popsicles done, and I got a present this week. Allison and her mom gave me this, and this is a form to make water bottle ice cubes so that you can slide them down into the neck of a water bottle. So we thought we'd make some in here too. So let's just pour a couple.
Can
I'm going to do these, okay? And then we'll have a few that are just lemonade. And then the other thing we're going to use is our ice cube tray. So we'll pour a few of our plain lemonade into our ice cube tray too. Okay, you can pour these. Okay? And we may need just a little bit more, but try to fill these 4. I'll move this out of your way. And I'll bring this to you. Here you go. These 4.
1.
Be careful, don't overfill them. Let me give you a little bit more lemonade. There you go. Oh, careful. Be real careful when you're pouring. There we go. Okay. Nope. Don't go any further. Just those 4. In fact, I'm going to pour a little bit out because we got a little over enthusiastic here, but that's okay because this is easy to fix. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to make our basil lemonade part, and so we've got a blender here. Allison, I'm going to move these over here in front of you for a minute.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to add our lemonade to our blender. And then, Allison, can you put those basil, where did we get that basil, Allison?
From my mommy's garden.
That's right, we went out this morning and we picked this basil fresh. Does it smell good?
Yes.
It smells really good, green and fresh and kind of licoricey. It's wonderful.
What do I do?
What do you do with that? Well, here, I tell you what, let me take this over here so you can reach it because our blender won't reach any farther. Okay, put those all down right in there. You may have to, oh, very good. Okay, now we're going to put this here. And we're going to put the lid on. You remember what you have to do to the blender? How many times are we going to hit it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we're going to let it go. We want to get those basil chunks all blended up. We don't want to chew big green leaves in our popsicle fluid. That looks pretty good. I don't see any big chunks left in that, do you? Okay, one more time. Let's hit that button. And then shut it off again, please. All right, Allison, I think our basil lemonade is ready. Should we taste it real quick and make sure that it tastes good?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you taste that one. Oh, is that yummy? That's pretty yummy, huh? Okay, so we're gonna pour this in here. Can you take the other 4 popsicle sticks out of our popsicles that we didn't already pour? That's it. Okay. Let me start the first one because I got that kind of full.
Basil.
You know what? That's okay. Okay, can you do the other 2 for me? And don't fill them any fuller than that. Be careful. Oh, you're doing such a good job. Perfect. That's perfect. Can you reach that one? Good job. All right, they're ready for the sticks. Allison, have you ever made popsicles before?
No.
Never made popsicles before? Now you have. All right, let's fill up the rest. Oh, careful. All right, let's do the rest of these so we can make water bottle. These would be really nice in a glass of iced tea.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, or in a glass of lemonade or just in a glass of water. These would be really nice. So these are going to be fun for today because it's 4th of July today. And we're going to be able to have lots of fun. Oh, look how pretty that color is, Allison.
Yes,
Isn't
really
that beautiful?
pretty.
Look at that beautiful basil that Mommy grew.
My mommy is very special.
Yes, she is. She's very talented. And she grows a beautiful garden. And we get to eat lots of wonderful food all summer long because of it, too. There we go. Uh-oh. We have a little basil lemonade left over. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to have to drink it. What do you think? We should just drink it?
No.
Here we go. Okay. Here you go. That's yours. This one's mine. Tink.
Just a little.
Just a taste. Just a taste. So yummy. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and cover up our ice cube tray. We've got a shelf cleaned off in the freezer so that we can put all of our basil lemonade in. We're going to let these freeze, and then we're going to have a wonderful 4th of July celebration with our basil lemonade popsicle of the week.
We're going to do it at my playground and have a blast.
So, Allison, do you have a restaurant?
Yes.
And what's it called?
Allison's Restaurant.
Allison's Restaurant. Do you think this would be a good thing to serve at Allison's Restaurant? It is. Okay. All right. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
All right. Hi, everybody. We're back. We've got some frozen popsicles that we want to show you. We've got these beautiful water bottle popsicles that will slide down into a drink or a water bottle. We've got some beautiful ice cubes that will make a very nice cocktail. And are you ready to see if we have some good popsicles?
Yes.
All right, go ahead. There it is. Look at that. And instead of floating down to the bottom this time, our greenery has kind of floated to the top. Are you ready? You're ready to lick it, I can tell. Go ahead. Well, what do you think? Is that good?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Why?
It's frozen.
You're right. It just came out of the freezer. Must be pretty good. Okay, so that's this week's Popsicle of the Week. We've got basil lemonade popsicles. Plus, we've got ice cubes and water bottle cubes this week to be able to put in our water bottles with some beautiful lemonade and basil lemonade. So that's it for this week. Happy 4th of July, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.